Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a mukbang from Panda Express. My boyfriend and I both bought Panda. He bought it for me, and my meal is on top. However, he's grabbing a television right now that he has from his mom. I can't tell you where I am, and I can't tell you where I'm going to be. However, I'm at a new location, and I will be permanently at another location. By permanently, I mean as long as I need to be, and as long as I'm allowed to be. So, yeah, no one's allowed to know where that is. However, it is a new setting, and I'm no longer in Vegas. First of all, this fried rice is really good. I also got I got the fried rice, the honey walnut chicken, and the teriyaki chicken. And yeah. This is really good. So this is part 1 of the Panda mukbang. The next part will be with Jonathan when he comes back in a couple minutes. We haven't had lunch since like noon, which is typical, but that was our first meal of the day, so now we're both really hungry. I ate a really good grilled cheese for lunch, but that was all I ate. Before I eat all of it, that's my dinner. And I also have some ocean spray apple juice, which I always get from Panda. There he is. Do you guys hear him? Yes, Mover!
Probably right about the door.
We're also gonna play the Xbox and Wii tonight. Mover just bought me and his friends new Xbox consoles, so
TV.
and TV, so that's exciting. Oh my God, Mover, are you okay?
Yeah, why?
Oh, I'm just vlogging, and do you need help?
No. I was just telling you it's not
He's
a new
the
Xbox
best.
console, it's a TV.
He's so strong. What?
I didn't get a new Xbox console.
Yeah, we just bought one.
We got a controller.
Oh, sorry. We bought a new Xbox controller. It used to be in the Panda bag, but it's no longer there. But I can do that in a separate vlog. Comment below if you want to see it.
Shit.
And, yeah, do you guys want to see Jonathan real quick? Oh, sorry, never mind. He, just ran to the restroom, so, he's not actually free right now. But maybe we'll vlog when we're playing a game together, maybe. Anyway, thanks for watching this mukbang, and I hope you have a great evening. Bye.